Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Sometimes the simplest things can create the biggest smiles, and for me, that's giant bubbles. This giant bubble wand kit from WOWmazing really is amazing. It's a 4-piece set that includes the bubble wand and bubble concentrate and a little booklet that'll give you tips and tricks. I found a large bucket was the best way for me to hold the bubble solution. So the unused portion, I'm just storing in an empty gallon water bottle container so that I can take it out and use it whenever I want. Now, I originally got this to play outside with my grandson. I love being able to spend time with him outside, and this was just something I thought he'd really enjoy. Now, he's not yet 3 years old, and although he did enjoy the bubbles, I have to tell you, I'm the one that's having the most fun. So this is definitely fun for the whole family. It's so easy to make gigantic bubbles, but you can also just kind of twist the rope wand to make smaller bubbles. So there is a technique to it, and I have been having a lot of fun perfecting my technique. This has definitely been fun for the whole family. It's simple but effective, and the bubbles are fantastic.
And that is my point of view.